I have been waiting years for this. Years, I'm not joking. After 15 years of planning, casting, and countless delays, the Detroit RoboCop statue is officially up in Eastern Market. The 11-foot, 3,500-pound bronze statue was put up yesterday and is welcoming people when they turn onto Russell Street off of Mack, just by Frank's Deli and by the Eastern. There was rumors for years of where he would end up. There was talks of even in front of the Michigan Central Station. But after all the rumors, it officially found its home. For anyone who doesn't know, RoboCop is the iconic police officer turned cyborg who saved Detroit from crime and corruption in the classic 1987 film based in the future of 1998. I'll totally come back and shoot this again in the daytime. But is this crazy?